Second to not only certifying the installation of the system, before it's installed, we also certify the panels. Now that where we test panels, we put it on an airbed jig, similar to what they have at James Cook University, and we take them up to destruction, and from there we derive a capacity and strength. We test quite a number of panels that way, and that's how we certify the panel, then we certify the installation. We're also licensed structural engineers. So basically, having tested the panel with the 40mm frame, having come up with a 6 kPa tested capacity, we can say here that the panels are capable of withstanding equivalent pressures to what Cyclone Tracy may have exhibited. So Cyclone Tracy's design wind pressures, based on their recorded wind speeds, came to about 5.8 kPa, and this is tested at 6. The better the panel, the more sturdier, the better the build. Obviously, the less issues you're going to have, because you're investing quite a bit of money in such a system. Now, if I'm going to spend that sort of money, well, I do want to get the maximum year or period I can out of it, and after testing and seeing how they can behave under a cyclone, under normal conditions, you can only assume they're going to be far more superior.